Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about images in HTML, part of Web Technologies course. In HTML, images are inserted using the image tag. The image tag is a self-closing tag, which means that it does not require a closing tag. It requires two important attributes, source and alt. The source attribute specifies the source or URL of the image file that you want to insert. The alt attribute is used to provide a text alternative for the image. It is used to accessibility and also for when the image is not loaded. The text in the alt attribute will be shown. Here is an example of how to insert an image in a HTML document. This code will insert the image located at image.jpg in the same directory as the HTML file. And the alternative text, this is an example of an image, will be shown if the image can't be loaded or if the user is using a screen reader. You can also set the size of the image using the width and height attributes. Here is an example. This will display the image with width of 300 pixels and height of 200 pixels. You can also use style attribute to set the CSS properties of the image like below. Images are a powerful way to add visual interest and context to a web page. They are commonly used for things like illustrations, photos, logos, and icons. They are also commonly used for functional elements like buttons and links. It is also important to keep in mind that large images can slow down the loading time of a web page. And it is best practice to optimize the images before using them in a website. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.